We're going to find a tram stop and we're going on a little bus adventure, and I've just seen a beautiful old church with a mixture of modern graffiti behind me. Tickets are $1.30, so we're going to get our tram tickets. We're on our way to La Trinidad. Half an hour by tram from Santa Cruz to Trinidad. The old town is called La Laguna, and the tourist office is in this beautiful building here. We're walking through La Laguna and we found Calle San Agustin, which is the main street. All these houses have beautiful courtyards. This one, Casa Montanas, is currently the headquarters of the Canary Islands Government Advisory Council. We're going to see Cristino de Vera's Art Foundation. He was born in Tenerife and he's still alive today. This beautiful 18th century house has been turned into an art museum. The benches are incredibly detailed, and look at the ceiling. Every house has something special. This is a view of Don Quixote. As you walk in, the narration starts. There are silhouettes of Don Quixote and a narration of chapters in his life. This is all about the terrible incident of the windmills. Amazing! Oh, this is the death of Don Quixote. This is an absolutely incredible street. This is the house of the Jesuits, and it has a female art display. Salazar House is a cultural heritage building. This church was built in 1506 by Augustinian friars. San Agustin Street in La Laguna has been amazing. Most of the places are free to go in. And now I'm going to continue on my bus adventure. Hope the sun comes out again. So now we're leaving La Laguna and getting the 102 to Puerto de la Cruz. The Botanical Gardens are soon going to be 3 times the size. It opens 9 o'clock in the morning and closes at 6 o'clock. Agatha Christie and William Wilde, Oscar's father, both stayed here. We've arrived in Puerto de la Cruz, which is an important tourist town. This is really interesting. There's all these little piles of rocks and they look as though they've just been artistically placed. Good job we're not driving. This is a small beer. So we've got our tickets for our city tour, also our cable car tickets. I think we're set for the day now. At the top of the cable car is the Tropical Gardens, which costs €12.50 to go in. And then up here is the toboggan ride. This amethyst is stunning. This is bus stop 12. Camarada Lobos is where Winston Churchill spent a lot of time painting. So this is the second highest skywalk in the world, after the one over the Grand Canyon. And another thing worth mentioning is it's free.